Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi-ke uyaphila-ke. Mina nje ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mawukuthi-ke usamusha kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke noma-ke kuwukuthi-ke uyaqala ukungena kulona-ke, wenze nje okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase ungaphumi. Ungalicindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke lemnyama-ke leli, khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke izintshantsho lezi engiza nazo, ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli kusukela-ke manje. Ukuze ngingakuphutheli izindaba ongenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje. Udaba ngilethele lona-ke namhlanje la lithi-ke lethele udaba lamkhwanazi-ke laphana-ke impela-ke kushubenge impela-ke kubantu abenza ubugebengu. Usengenelele nakule genge-ke edayisa inyama engaziwa ukuthi ithathaphi i-odaphi le nyama le, njengoba ukutshontshwa kwemfuyo-ke kwande kangaka. Mkhwanazi-ke uselingenelile-ke lelo daba. Into enza nje ngizodlala ividiyo yakhe Mkhwanazi uzwele wona ukuthi-ke uthini-ke laphana-ke. Mengicopha masizuleke le video ngena mu-comment section, fika uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo udaba-ke lolu bese wenze okulungile nje ungixhase. Ungaphuma ungicindezelanga-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwa nesenti-ke lemnyama-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha engiza nazo, ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli kusukela-ke manje.
Uma udayisa inyama etafuleni kumele abe nephepha ukuthi uyithatha le nyama edayisayo, ngoba naye isofika sibophe kwayena ingane zilale zingadlile. So siyacela bakwethu ukuthi nisebenzisane kanye nathi kulokho esikwenzayo. Ningadayisi inyama engazi ukuthi niyithatha. Kubalulekile because abantu abafuyile iningi labo imfuyo yabo iyimali kubo. Imfuyo abayisebenzisayo ukuhambisa izingane zabo esikoleni ngonyaka ozayo. Uma uyintshontsha kulonyaka kusho ukuthi ingane zalo mndeni ngezikwazi esikoleni ngoba lo mndeni akwazi ukudayisa ukuze uthole imali ukuhambisa ingane esikoleni ngonyaka ozayo nokuphila nje njengomndeni. So sicela nibahloniphe, nihloniphe lo mndeni. So the less said premier about drunk driving, the better. Motorists must do as they are asked. Once we catch you, your festive season is over. So Premier, the plan will have 10 focus areas, which are: one is the gender-based violence, as I've mentioned, the combating of aggravated robberies, focusing mainly on trio crime, enhancing border security, as I've mentioned, with the countries that are our neighbors, dealing with illicit economy and serious organized crime. We're going to focus largely, the province Premier has been doing a lot in the recovering firearms, but we're going to up our efforts this time of the year by looking for illegal firearms and focusing on liquor and second-hand goods. We are trying by all means to enforce bylaws, working with the municipalities. We are going to focus on enforcement of bylaws. If the place is not supposed to be a place for parties, you're not supposed to be drinking in the place, we're going to try by all means to enforce those bylaws so that our people can be safe and act responsibly. Urban decay and hijacked buildings, it's a problem for us. So therefore, operations are going to be focusing in those areas as well during this period.